Hey everyone, this is Tori with Krietz Auto here to show you our 2017 F-250 Super Duty Platinum. This truck is equipped with the 6.7 liter Power Stroke diesel. You'll also find it has the crew cab as well as the 6.5 foot bed. As we move to the back, you'll notice the tow hitch, backup camera, and platinum badging. As we move to the side, you'll see the beautiful ruby red metallic clear coat in the sunlight. As we move inside, you'll see the power running boards, and I'd be happy to show you more features as we move inside. This F-250 has so much convenience and comfort to offer. From the premium platinum leather seating to front and rear heated seats, driver and passenger will experience massaging seats and ventilated seats, on-screen navigation for trips. You'll also have peace of mind knowing you have blind spot monitoring, cross-traffic alert, and adaptive cruise control. Can't wait to see you when you come in to take a look at this truck.
Hey again, thanks so much for watching the video. If you're interested in learning more about this vehicle, give us a call at 301-694-4642 or visit us at KreitzAuto.com.